now time for another episode of Ranting with Justin, brought to you by Big Jeff Audio.
23 Captain's Log 74B8596. Out front, picking up laundry and smoking to my heart's content, because I can. And yeah, when I pick up this shit, as you can see, I pick up even the small bits, especially cigarette butts. Did you guys know that one cigarette butt on the ground, like this, if I throw this on the ground, like, oh, that's even worse, a cigar filter. One cigarette butt on the ground, that filter takes fucking 10 years to biodegrade. Just keep that in mind next time you want to throw shit on the ground and have me pick it up, cocksuckers. See that? See how I did that? Wow, this is fucking difficult. And I'm not a saint. I throw cigarette butts on the ground, you know, when I'm driving, because car manufacturers decided to not put ashtrays inside cars anymore and shit like that. Yeah, I'm a smoker. I got grievances about some things, but yes, it's hard to have grievances about something that everyone knows is deadly bad for you. I mean, nicotine's a straight fucking poison. Yet here we are, selling that shit by the case to the public, for which it stands. Oh shit. One nation under God. Oh, controversial. Indivisible. With liberty and justice for all. I think I fucked that up, but hey, at least I tried, right? That's E for effort, huh, kids? Toys for Tots, drop-off location. Make sure our sign is not fucked up from the wind and correct straight, so we don't look like the motherfucking bums that like to reside around this area. You know, I don't know if I should keep this piece of wood. I'm probably gonna keep it. It's not terrible. Kind of a hoarder on stupid shit. Like, there's no reason to throw it out. Keep it for something. Even if it's to build a stand. No one did the flags today, so I gotta see who's on flags. Pieces here to catch our pallets. Shit sucks when you're pulling a fucking 1.5 tons of subwoofers and you hit a piece of wood and it stops your pallets. You can probably get an idea of how that feels. It fucking sucks. Lose your momentum, possibly tip the product. Just a bad thing. Please pick up them pieces of fucking wood. It's annoying to have that shit happen. Alright, that's the front and side of the building. And everything I pick up, dude, it's terrible to walk by shit. This plastic is half biodegraded and it just peels. It's Bud Light bottle cap for your bottle cap collection. There was a fence store in this location, so I find tons of fence parts. Right, that part. I don't know if you guys see that because of the angle. I like to just get everything, man. It's not, if I don't pick it up or someone else don't pick it up, it's gonna stay there forever. You can find cool shit. Sometimes you find money, sometimes you find a pen, sometimes you find a shitty diaper. Oh yes, I picked up shitty diapers out here. Used condoms, used condom wrappers, drug paraphernalia. You know, it's pretty. This corner we're on, you know, they go getting ready to go back home into the hood and they throw shit out the car. I mean, to have a baby and doing this diaper in the car, that's fine, whatever. But that baby, to see you take its diaper and toss it out the window, whether they see you or not. I mean, what kind of person does that? I can tell you about it, but it's just something to think about. We don't really get down with that shit here. I don't. Speak for myself, you know. It's not okay to throw a shitty diaper out, and then who's gonna deal with it? No, if I didn't, it wasn't the one to pick it up. Someone could have ran it over, and then it'd be awesome. It'd be shit all over the inside of the tires. You know, it's just a stupid ass thing to do. We try to pick up nails in our parking lot. You know, we try to take care of the customer beyond what they would even think about. And our own tires, of course. But yeah, I mean, Jeff's a good guy to work for, I tell you. And I tell that to every new guy we get. It's a great place to work. What you gotta do is just stay busy. Do something, anything. That obviously, anything needs to make sense, of course. You just can't like do cartwheels and expect them to be okay with it. But you do anything to stay busy. It can be sweeping. If someone sees you sweeping and they need a hand, they'll know who to look for. Look for someone who's sweeping. Obviously, they need something else to do that's more important than sweeping. Not that sweeping isn't important. Look at all this shit. This is the shit I'm out here for. No one did this corner, and it just looks bad on us. Even if it's not exactly our property, I'm not sure if it is or isn't.
This has been another episode of Ranting with Justin, brought to you by Big Jeff Audio.